Is a brand new offering tonight, and this is something we call sculptural. Now, I'm going to pick up one of these and bring it close so you can come in tight and appreciate the gorgeous pattern on this. Now, sculptural is raised, so you're going to be able to run your fingers across this and feel the pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. You're getting a set of 3 of these mini pitchers, 18, 20, and 28 ounce. 18, 20, and 28 ounce. So all of the pitchers come to you in great colors, but these are the 3 pitchers that you're receiving in this brand new sculptural. We're awfully excited to be able to offer this to you tonight. 3 easy payments. These are oven safe to 500 degrees. They're going to hold anything that you need. And we have lots and lots of gorgeous colors in this brand new pattern. Now come back here with me and I'll take you shopping for the plum. $5.50 in the plum. From there we go to taupe. $6.50. This is the gray. This is gray. $5.80 in the gray. Here's white. $900, and here's your slate blue. $5.50 in the slate blue. Super value on these. 3 easy payments of $11.24. When you buy this tonight, you're going to be the first to own the brand new pattern sculptural. And here to tell us all about it is the lady that brings all things Temptations to QVC, Tara Tescher, joining us live via Skype. Tara, let me congratulate you on a brand new pattern. These are lovely.
Oh, thank you. We have been so excited to share this with you because it's kind of everything we love from Temptations. The fact that you get that gorgeous sculptural detail, it's our old world and our floral lace, nice and compact together, almost overlapping one another. So when we put this in the mold, that actually creates that kind of artisan touch and look. Then we apply a glass glaze. That glass glaze takes all of that sculptural detail and brings it to life so that you can truly appreciate it. And as you mentioned, I love mini pitchers for a lot of reasons. Yes, syrups, drink, gravies, salad dressings, all those things that we would normally do in a gravy boat. Love this as a little mini bar, but you can also tuck it down the center of your table. We did 3 different silhouettes so that you could put little fresh flowers in there if you wanted to. Or I have it on my desk and I've been putting pens and things in it. So there's so many different uses for these, but at the heart of it, it's a launch of a brand new pattern in fabulous colors. That white is stunning.
Unbelievable. And here they are with beautiful, fresh spring and summer flowers all right here. Take a look right here. There are your flowers, really beautifully done. So remember, these are all stout, all made of stoneware. So they're really beautifully accented on a table. Maybe you'll add some extra sauce. Maybe you're having stromboli for dinner, or those pizza pinwheels where you need a little extra marinara. We've got it for you here. Look at how we're able to do that and dress up this plate of spaghetti and meatballs. How about some mushroom gravy, Tara, over your steaks hot off the barbecue?
Yes, I love that. And actually, David, I have 3 different salad dressings. By the way, that's a grill platter that we launched earlier this afternoon with Carol and Gracie.
Right.
So sweet to put the 2 together. We always talk about a family of colors. And if I can show you really close, here I have the slate blue. And I actually did a cute little cheese platter here where I can actually go ahead and now maybe I want to have different salad dressings. First of all, I love the way that it pours. I love that you have that nice wide open mouth there. So again, no matter what you're pouring, whether it's blue cheese with lumps and clumps, or in this case, it's just that ranch dressing, look how perfect that is, whether it's salad dressing or you've put it in the microwave and now you want to do a little hot fudge.
Oh,
I know this won't hurt your feelings.
That's
on
my
one
favorite.
of our beautiful ice cream sundaes.
Oh, my word.
Love
So
that.
perfect.
Yeah.
Now, remember, you can also do this on a breakfast platter here.
Okay.
We've got blueberry compote, we've got syrup in one, we've got raspberry compote in another. Now, everybody is all set for your next brunch or lunch gathering, breakfast bunch. All of that could be great. Now, let's take you through color choices and remind you that these are all brand new today. You're getting an 18, a 20, and a 18, 20, and a 28 ounce.
28. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, this is the plum. 500 left in the plum. Here's taupe. 600. Here's gray. 550 in the gray, that gorgeous white.
I love the white.
Only 750 left in the white, and that's our most popular tonight. And then this is the slate blue, and really beautifully done in the slate blue. 570 to go around there. Now, over 400 sets are gone. Tara, these go into the dishwasher, everything we know and love about Temptations, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I love the fact that they go in the oven. So if you wanted to, of course, do something like that, you could, different, maybe a hollandaise sauce or some type of gravy, but it also goes in the microwave. So when you want to reheat things, you can do that too. So whether you're doing pasta sauce and you want red sauce, whether you're doing pasta sauce and you want some of your pink sauce, look how great that is because you have that nice wide open mouth. Anything that has the chunks in it, you don't have to worry about. And you have that gorgeous detail, that beautiful pattern. And what a great gift this would make, especially for maybe a shower or maybe a wedding gift. These are just versatile, useful pieces that everybody would want in their kitchen.
How about a Bloody Mary for your brunch?
Or mimosas.
Or mimosas, or margaritas. All those could be really perfect. Look at that. The only thing missing here, and I'll help you, Tara. Hang on one second. A little bacon for a stirrer.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you so much for that.
Maybe 2 pieces. That's peppered bacon. We'll put 2 pieces in there.
I mean, now it's breakfast. Now it's full
now it's a meal. Yeah, exactly. Now it's a meal. Hey, you don't want to miss these. They're brand spanking new. And Tara, will you be doing bakers and other goodies in the sculptural?
We have lots planned in the sculptural. If you look at some of the great pieces out there and some of the very high-end catalogs, you'll start to see more of this sculptural look, not like ours, for a lot more. So it's definitely something that people love with that overall color saturation. But you know, we do nothing boring at Temptation. So no boring wear here.
No boring whitewear. I mean, that's you should have that on a plaque somewhere if you don't already. All right,
exactly.
So we're going to invite everyone to stay on the line here. These are brand new tonight. 700 already spoken for, and we have hundreds more on the phone line, so please get your order while you can. Tara, thanks for being here tonight. All right, we're checking in with Julia. She's got a little look at something coming up a little later in the show, and boy, has this been popular.
Holy moly, has it been crazy popular since Sunday.